This video is brought to you by ExpressVPN. Click on the link given down below in the description and get 3 months free. Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from AndroDollar.com. A few days ago, a company actually reached out to me and asked if I was interested in checking out one of their latest products and if I could make a video about their product for you guys. So this product seemed to be quite promising, so because of that I said yes, I would definitely try it. So that package is right here, even in the middle of the pandemic, just in a couple of days. Somehow through FedEx Express, even with curfew being there right here in Sri Lanka right now, this package arrived right on time. So this item actually just launched. So I'm gonna be bringing you guys this video where I'm gonna be unboxing this all new product and showcasing it to you guys. And after that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be using this product for a couple of days and bring you guys my full review of this as well. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and break open the seal of this package. Let's get into the contents of this box. Let's get started with today's video. So, without wasting any more time, go ahead and open this up right here. Right, I won't even need my knife. That's right. Okay. We have this box. So let me go ahead and take my knife. Alright, so this is the package that I was expecting from this company, Pamu. Actually, this is their latest wireless earphones that they are launching with ANC, and this, believe it or not, costs quite a bit lower than Apple's AirPod Pros, but rivals them with the feature set of the AirPod Pros, and it also has a bunch of additional features that we can check out. So in this video, I'm going to be bringing you guys the unboxing of this, and I will set it up with my smartphone as well. And let's go ahead and try this one out. This is the Pamu Quiet. The link to purchase this is down below in the description. So first off, let me go ahead and open up this box and let's get into this. Right. Off. Getting rid of that plastic. Here we have the box. Alright. So on the left hand side right here, it says for first use, please remove the film on the earphones, put the earphones into the charging case and fully charge the charging case, remove the earphones from the charging case, then turn on the mobile phone Bluetooth to search for Pamu Quiet L and click on connect. So here on the right hand side, we have the Pamu Quiet earphones right here. So I'm gonna get into that in a bit. Let me check the contents inside this box. So the first thing that we have after we take out the Pamu Quiet themselves are the user manuals. So here we have the quick practice on earbud operations and the firmware warranty, and also a detailed user manual on how to use this product. So I'm gonna keep all of that to the side for now, and then let's check out the next item that we get inside this box. Alright, we have two small little pouches. So let me open up this first big box. Actually, it's having the protective cover that we get for these earphones, the Pamu earphones that we have. It says carry and protect your earphones at the bottom. Nice little pouch that we get here. And then we get this cord that we can of course connect to the earphones themselves if you like that. And also you get a USB type C cable here for you to connect the Palmu earphones to charge very easily. USB type A to type C cable, that'll leave over there. And then on this little pouch we get more earbuds, ear tips actually. So we have different sizes over here. So I'm gonna put that back to this pouch and keep that to the side. So that's about it for the contents inside this box. It's nicely packed, so I'm gonna keep that to the side like this. And now let's focus our attention onto the Palmu Quiet earphone. So it has some plastic wrapping that I'm gonna get rid of, and here we have the Palmu Quiet earphones. It looks really nice with this texture there, and we have the Palmu logo here at the top. It actually reminds me of the steering wheel in most vehicles, the design, and it is quite grippy as well. And it also reminds me of a small little stopwatch, you know, the types of ones that you can hold in your hand, and even a compass. It looks pretty nice, pretty neat, different kind of design. And when you press on this button over here, it opens up and reveals the earphones. So here we have the two earphones. We have the left one on this side, right one on this side, and here we have, and easily you can lock it down as well. And let me quickly go ahead and take out the earphones. So as you can see, when I take it out, it actually looks quite a bit like Apple's AirPod Pros as well. Just look at this with the stem design here, and it also has this plastic wrapping. So I'm gonna quickly get rid of that as well. So here we have the Palmu Quiet earphones, and I can see the light already blinking right over here. So that means it's ready to go. So why don't we go ahead and pair these up to a smartphone. So let me get one of my phones, and actually let's go ahead and install the Palmu Quiet mobile application that is available for Android and iOS. You can find it on the store. All the details are put down below in the description for you to check out, and also I'll have the link for you to pick these up if you are interested as well. They come at a pretty good price, but to know whether this product is actually really good or not, we'll have to stay tuned for my full review dropping very soon after I use this for a couple of days. So I just received this, so let me use it for a couple of days and get back to you whether this is any good or not. So anyway, I just want to bring you guys this quick little exclusive because this product just launched a couple of days ago. So that's one of the main reasons why I wanted to quickly bring you guys this video. So from the app, actually you can go to add device, and from here actually it should show the Palmu device. So let me actually go into the Bluetooth settings, and let's see if we can. All right, here we find the Palmu Quiet L. And right, so I have now successfully connected to the Palmu Quiet. So it's asking to connect, and I have given all the permissions, and there you go. Alright, so just like that, now we are connected to the Palmu Quiet earphones. Here at the bottom you can set the transparency level with active noise cancellation on or off, or the transparency level. Then you can go into the settings and see, you can update the firmware, custom key functions, you can edit what functions are there, and then also ANC function loop mode is also available for you to check, and also of course support is available. Let's see if this product is on the latest firmware. Seems like it's on the latest firmware version, so nothing to worry about there. So I'm gonna try these headphones on for the very first time now. Let me go ahead and take these and insert it into my ear. Here I have the left one, and here I have the right one. So let me go ahead and quickly connect these to my ears, and let's play a quick little song and see how good these are. Alright, and I'm wearing the earphones right now, and transparency mode is on, so I can still hear myself. That's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. sounds pretty good actually. So I want to test this out for a couple of more days definitely before I come out with any of my verdicts. So yeah, these are the Palm Quiet earphones. I'll have the link for these down below in the description if you are interested in picking these up. Again, pretty easy to charge these. If you want to charge it, you can go ahead and put it to this dock right here like this, and when you close it up, there's a nice little LED around this as well. Looks pretty neat. And of course you can use this USB Type-C port here on the side along with this cable to quickly charge this up. So I'm gonna bring you guys all the specs of this and all the details of this product in my upcoming video after I use this product with their claims. Here's a quick little preview of the specs of the Palm Quiet, as well as a comparison between some of the latest Bluetooth earphones that are available right now. So let me know what you guys think about the Palm Quiet. I'm actually going to be using these for a couple of days, and let me get back to you with my full review of the Palm Quiet earphones and what I think about these after using them for a couple of days. So stay tuned for that exclusive video right here in Sri Lanka. Go ahead and smash the subscribe button if you are new to my channel, and follow me on social media if you want to see behind the scenes and updates on not only this but also some of the other latest tech that I'm working on to bring you guys videos right here on YouTube as well. So stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world, and if you guys have anything that you would like to see in particular about this product or you want to see explode with this, drop a comment down below and let me know, and I'll definitely cover that in my full review. And until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.